Discover how to enjoy immersive gaming and entertainment without stretching your budget. The best affordable VR headset options deliver impressive visuals, smooth performance, and comfortable designs that make virtual experiences more accessible, exciting, and enjoyable for beginners and seasoned users alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Meta Quest 3S VR Headset. The Meta Quest 3S VR headset is designed for users who want an impressive standalone VR experience with no wires holding them back. Its wireless freedom makes gaming, fitness, and entertainment feel more natural and unrestricted, letting you move and explore without limits. Powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, this headset delivers twice the graphical processing power of earlier models, resulting in smooth gameplay, faster load times, and sharper visuals. You also get 8 GB of RAM, giving you the extra memory needed for more demanding content and better performance in fast-paced games. The dual RGB color cameras enhance the mixed reality experience by blending virtual elements with your actual environment in vivid full-color pass-through. With more than 2 hours of battery life, you can stay immersed longer without constantly recharging. The comfort and advanced tracking make it ideal for gaming, productivity, and creative applications. As a bonus, new buyers receive exclusive Gorilla Tag items and 1,000 shiny rocks, making it even more appealing to fans of the game. Overall, the Meta Quest 3S offers power, comfort, and wireless convenience in a single package that suits both beginners and experienced VR users.
Number 2. PlayStation VR2 VR Headset. The PlayStation VR2 VR Headset brings console gaming into a new era with advanced visuals, immersive controls, and impressive sensory technology. Built specifically for the PlayStation 5, it uses PSVR2 Sense features, eye tracking, headset feedback, 3D audio, and highly responsive controllers to create a level of immersion that feels incredibly lifelike. The haptic feedback and adaptive triggers add realistic sensations to gameplay, while finger touch detection makes interactions feel more natural and precise. With 4K HDR visuals, players can enjoy sharp, bright, and vibrant scenes with an impressive 110-degree field of view for deeper immersion. Its enhanced graphical rendering ensures smooth movement and reduces motion blur, providing a comfortable experience during extended sessions. The headset is lightweight and ergonomically balanced, allowing players to stay focused on gameplay without discomfort. Perfect for gamers who want high-end VR performance tied to a powerful console, the PSVR2 offers an experience that feels both polished and cinematic. Combined with exclusive PlayStation VR titles, it becomes an excellent option for those who want premium VR quality without dealing with external setups or PC requirements.
Number 3. TiCCoonuts VR Headset. The TiCCoonuts VR headset is a versatile and user-friendly option for anyone interested in exploring virtual reality through their smartphone. Designed with integrated foldable Bluetooth headphones, it offers an all-in-one experience that enhances immersion without needing extra audio devices. Whether you're watching 3D movies or playing VR games, the sound quality brings scenes to life and keeps you focused on the action. Its adjustable focal settings allow users with different vision strengths to fine-tune the visuals for maximum clarity, offering a more personalized viewing experience. This makes it suitable for both adults and kids who want simple, comfortable, and accessible VR entertainment. The headset fits most smartphones and provides a secure fit that stays comfortable even during longer sessions, thanks to its padding and balanced weight design. While it's not as advanced as high-end VR systems, it excels in delivering an enjoyable and immersive entry-level experience. For users who want an affordable VR solution with built-in audio, easy controls, and a comfortable design, the TiCCoonuts headset is a strong choice that works well for movies, casual gaming, and general VR exploration.
Number 4. HTC Vive Pro VR Headset. The HTC Vive Pro VR headset appeals to serious gamers and PC users who want high-quality virtual reality performance. Designed with an adjustable headband, it provides a comfortable fit for extended use, making it suitable for long gaming sessions or creative VR applications. The device connects via USB and includes essential components such as cables, grips, and controllers, offering everything needed for a complete setup. Known for its precision tracking and smooth performance, the Vive Pro allows users to move naturally within VR environments while maintaining accurate responsiveness. It supports a variety of PC-based applications, giving access to a wide library of games, simulations, and productivity tools. With its advanced visual clarity and audio capabilities, it provides a premium experience ideal for professionals, enthusiasts, and dedicated gamers. Although it requires a compatible PC to run, the performance and customizability make it worth the investment for those wanting deeper immersion. The Vive Pro remains a reliable choice for users who value detail, tracking accuracy, and expandability in a high-end VR system.
Number 5. FEEBZ 3D VR Headset. The FEEBZ 3D VR headset is a beginner-friendly and highly compatible option designed for both iPhone and Android users. Its flexible design supports more phone models than most other VR headsets, making it easy for anyone to get started. The headset includes access to VR apps and videos, helping beginners explore virtual reality without needing technical knowledge. It also features bigger lenses and soft face padding to ensure a comfortable and immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching VR videos, exploring virtual worlds, or playing simple mobile VR games. The included tutorial link provides clear instructions, making it great for kids, teens, and adults who are new to VR. Its lightweight build and secure fit make it suitable for extended use without discomfort. As an added bonus, the headset comes with a protective carrying case, adding value and convenience. This makes it a great gift option for birthdays or holidays. As an American company, FEEBZ encourages users to reach out if the experience falls short, showing strong customer support. Overall, it's an accessible and affordable choice for users who want a simple and enjoyable entry into the world of VR. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.